Now students, as you learnt yesterday from Shomita ma'am regarding a circle and the different parts of a circle, today we will begin with that. Now, as you can see in this picture, that O is the center of the circle, this is the center, and A is any point on the circle. Now, today we are going to read about radius and diameter. See that in order to define radius, we can say radius is the distance between the center and any point on the circle. We have chosen O as the center over here and A is any point on the circle. So it becomes that OA is the radius of the circle. That means OA is one of the radii, I should say like that, because a circle has many radii. So OA is one of the radii of the circle. This is the definition of any radius. So we recapitulate again. Radius is the distance between the center and any point on the circle. Here OA is the radius of the circle. It is not mandatory that a circle will have only one radius. There are many radii to the circle, like OB is also a radii, OC is also a radii. If we can draw a line from here beginning from O to any point on the circle, that will also become a radius. Now we move to the second page. Here we want to say that diameter is the chord that passes through the center, sorry, it will be the center Yes, diameter is a chord that passes through the center and joins any 2 points of the circle. So, what I mean to say that, suppose we come over here, see that B and C are any 2 points on the circle, whereas O is the center of the circle. Now, diameter is the chord. As you have already known that chord is any straight line joining 2 points on the circle, not necessarily always passing through the center of the circle, but in case of diameter, chord is the straight line that passes through the center of the circle and joins any 2 points on the circle. Diameter is also known as the longest chord in a circle. So as you can see over here that it joins 2 points B and C passing through the center O. So BC is considered as a diameter. Similarly, a circle may have a number of diameters, so it is one of the diameter. There is a formula regarding converting diameter to radius and radius to diameter. You see that diameter is equals to 2 into radius and radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. While solving the sums, you have to put these two formulas and solve them. First question, find the radius of the circle whose diameter is 14 centimeters. See that the diameter is given and you need to calculate the radius. So, first you will begin, radius is equals to 14 centimeter, diameter is equals to 14 centimeter and radius is equals to diameter divided by 2. So, you see that when you divide 14 divided by 2, you get 7 centimeter. So, your final answer will be radius of the circle will be 7 centimeter. In this manner, we move to the next board. Here, suppose the next question is find the diameter if the radius of the circle is 4 centimeter. Suppose the radius of the circle is given as 4 centimeter. You need to find the diameter. So how you will begin your solution? You will begin a solution like this. Radius is equals to 4 centimeter. Diameter equals to 2 into radius. So you will be getting 2 into 4 centimeter equals to 8 centimeter. So in this manner you will be calculating the diameter if radius is given. So you work out these two sums, get it checked by your respective mathematics teacher. Thank you, students.